Hello, welcome to MK Cyber channel. In today's video, we will learn how to install Windows 7 Professional and link it to the Windows Server 2012 R2 on VMware Workstation step by step. Before installing Windows 7 Professional as virtual machine in VMware Workstation, you will have to make sure you have the following requirements. 1. At least 2 GB memory. 2. Processor that have Intel VT technology supported and enabled. 3. At least 60 GB hard drive space. If today is your first time watching my videos, kindly smash on the subscribe button, like and comments in the comments section below. So, without wasting much time, let's start. Open VMware Workstation, then click File from the menu and select New Virtual Machine. Select Typical Type as recommended and click Next. Click on the Browse button and browse to the location where your Windows 7 ISO file is located. Select the Windows 7 ISO file and click Open. Click on Next. Select the version of Windows to install. Because we are going to link the Windows 7 to the domain that we created in our previous video, I will drop the link of the previous video part 2 in the description below. So, these are the only version of Windows 7 that can be linked to a domain. 1. Windows 7 Enterprise. 2. Windows 7 Professional and Windows 7 Ultimate. So we are going to install Windows 7 Professional. The version depends on the ISO file you download. You can set your product key and personalize Windows later. Click Next button to continue. Provide virtual machine name and location to store the virtual machine folders. MK Cyber will be my PC name. You can also leave it as default. Provide the hard disk size, recommended is 60 GB. So, for the purpose of this video, I will leave it as default. Click Next. Click on Customize Hardware. Then click on the network adapter to change from NAT to bridged. Click Close. Click Finish. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Windows needs to restart. Now, Windows 7 Professional has successfully been installed. So I will pause the video here and continue with the linking of the Windows 7 to the server or domain in the next video. In our last tutorial, we learned how to promote a server to a domain controller. I will drop all the links of the previous videos in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to this channel so that you will be notified whenever I release new videos.